If you need to sort the values and data inside LibreOffice, this quick tutorial will show you exactly how to do it in just a few clicks. Whether you want to organize numbers from smallest to largest or sort text alphabetically, LibreOffice makes the process simple once you know where to look. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more easy software tutorials just like this. First, go ahead and open LibreOffice on your computer. Once it launches, open any file that contains the data you want to sort. This could be a spreadsheet, a table, or any document with values arranged in rows and columns. After your file is open, click on any column in the dataset. You do not need to select the entire sheet at this point. Just place your cursor in the column you want to sort by. Now look up at the toolbar above. You should see an A to Z icon, which is the sorting tool. This is the button that lets you arrange your values in ascending or descending order. If you want the data to go from A to Z or from smallest to largest, choose ascending. If you want it reversed, choose descending instead. Click the option that matches the order you want. As soon as you do that, a pop-up window will appear. LibreOffice will ask whether you want to sort only the current selection or extend the selection. This is an important step because it decides whether only the highlighted values are sorted or whether the sort is applied to the whole data range so your rows stay together correctly. In most cases, if you are working with related data across multiple columns, you will want to extend the selection so the entire table stays aligned. If you only sort the current selection, you may separate values from their related rows, which can make the data confusing or incorrect. So take a moment to review the prompt carefully, then select the option that fits your data and confirm the sort. LibreOffice will instantly reorganize the values based on your choice. And just like that, your data is now sorted the way you want it. It's a simple but very useful feature, especially when you're trying to clean up a long list, organize a dataset, or make information easier to read. If this tutorial helped, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more quick how-to guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.